And then there or there? There? Okay. Thank you. The fucking iPhone, man. I must have said something wrong on my iPhone, and I just end up on the motorway basically, and I'm not allowed with a small bike like this. Okay, so I just found another way. I'm here, gonna go down. I mean, this is not my first time getting caught on the motorway. It's probably twice here and once in the UK. I just have to go down this road. Going to Carmona circuit in Cavite. Yamaha having the R Day, which is a new R15 2017. You can just test ride on a circuit. So I'll go. I don't know how many people is there. I hope not many, not that much. It's probably a lot because it's not raining today. So I'll just go there and try the bike basically. Should be good. you're not allowed to film. That sucks. Sorry, Yamaha, but if you bring people to a day like this, you should be allowed to film. But anyway, it was great to ride one of those. The bike feels good comparing to the CBR 125. Similar position, but much better, I think. Faster. I think I get to 100 here. On top of here, I was at 99 or something like that, 100. I make like five laps or something like that. But it was very good. Yeah. It is a bigger bike than the Raider 150, but it's good. It's not cheap. I think it's like 200,000 pesos, something like that. But still worth the money. It's good. Well, you can buy 2 Raider with that price, but very good bike. Yeah, I enjoy it. It just sucks, seriously, that I couldn't fucking, video it. That's the main point, that I come here to test ride it and video it. What the fuck was that? What was that? Shit. No way. It's not dead. Fuck, man. I thought it was a stone. It's almost dying. Is it dying? I don't know. Where can I put it? Maybe I put it there now. Banging into my head. Oh, it's not there, it's not there, it's not there. Still alive, still alive. Wait. Here we go. Here we go. Shit, man. Flying attacked by a bird. Okay, bye bye. Nothing I can really do anyway. Didn't expect that. Actually, you know what? Should take it home. Oh, here we go. It's flying away. Here we go. Good news. I actually have bird at home, so I thought, you know what, I'm gonna put it in the cage, give him some food, and he could actually fly away in a few days. Why not? So yeah, there we go. He's still alive and flying well.